Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome with a new video. So this is the self-given analysis of SBI clerk mains April 10th shift 2. So we already know, you already came across many videos like the GA section was the toughest. So actually I studied really hard for this section. Um, after um, after I appeared in the exam, I felt like why I wasted so much time on this section, because out of 50 questions I was only able to um, mark 5 questions only, and in that I made 3 questions wrong already. So even if I read like 6 to 7 months, I would have attempted only 10 to 15 questions max to max. Only 10 questions. So I don't know, some people were telling like they attempted 32 questions, so like that I don't know how they attempted that much. So I was like, after coming out of the examination, they were telling like I attempted 33 questions, 32 questions. I felt like why I didn't feel like I read something in GA section. It was really tough. I don't know about the first section, so something, but my shift I felt GA was very hard because there were no important questions which appeared from like RBI, then from a banking awareness, so sports, obituaries, books, nothing. So it went really hard. Sorry, it went really bad. Then coming to the English section, so I felt like English was doable because there were 3 passages and one was easy, and it was having one blank. So currently I don't remember what was the answer for that. And other passage was like it was easy, but uh, it consists of some standard vocabulary words like and one they asked the countervailing synonym. I don't know whether the word was this only or I made spelling mistake here, but I only remember counter. So after veil, I don't know what was it. So please to comment if you know the answer for this. And the questions were also a bit thinkable, means it was logical. And for this the options were like neutralizing, hindering, and avoiding, so like that it was there. But overall all 3 passages were doable. Then one I have written that one passage was like it consists of 2 paras, so like that. Then one question was like they have given some 4 to 5 sentences, and in that we need to pick those sentences which didn't suit the main theme of that passage. Okay, so 2 sentences were coming for me as answer, I guess A and E. Currently I don't remember, but I got 2 sentences which didn't suited there. One was like the climate prediction is perfect from the digital devices, like that, and one was which was in the E option, like climate related only, so like that it was there. Then 3 questions were of idioms usage. One was like tip of the iceberg, and other was like barking the something was there, I don't remember what was that. And one more in idioms was there. Then okay, I think 2 to 3 questions were on error detection, so means we have to identify the 2 misspelled words or 2 words where its usage is not appropriate. Okay, so I felt a bit confusing here, so I think I marked only 1 question from this out of 3 to 4 questions, and there was no parajumble sequence. And remaining yes, so 3 questions were on like connectors, usage of connectors. I did attempted that. So overall in English section I attempted 25 questions. Then coming to the quant section, so all were telling easy, but I don't know why I stuck here, because so first, as soon as I opened this quant section, I got I think 6 approximate questions, and they are all of pivot pre-level. Okay, so they were also doable. I did it in one go only. Then I searched for the quadratic equations. So 4 to 5 questions were there, and all are of a pivot pre-level only. So one question was on root. Actually I tried to solve this, but I was not able to solve this question, so I left it as it is. Then one was a bit tricky, like y is equal to 1 by 64, like that. Actually I solved that, but I felt a bit tricky there. I don't know why I did it twice. So one was di, so it was like, actually this di was calculative, but it was doable, it was easy. Like they had given the data of the pencil, pens, registers, rubbers, and of a, I think, I don't know what, maybe the persons or uh, the shops, I don't know. So a b c d e till e they had given that, and some data were missing here. And in that, and in note section they had given like the sum of this thing, some data were there here. I don't know what was there. So from this, yes, one more data was also given, like they had given the total of the this d part. So after doing this, we were getting some values for x and y. Okay, so to calculate the value of z, I think we have to sum all the datas here. But I did only one question, I guess. So it was like I was getting 9:5 as answer. So I got x value as 225. Then please to comment what was the answer for this. And I think I guess only 3 to 4 questions were there in this section. I mean in this DI. I was only able to solve one questions because I don't know, I messed up something while writing the data. Okay, then one was like, okay, the questions were simple, I mean doable. Then two more DI was also there, like one was like a pie chart. So they had given like TOTT, I don't know how I have to pronounce this, Tota, and C, I don't know whether it was clutch or something like that. So they had given the pie chart where they had given the distribution of this Tota in the percentage, like 15 percentage, 22 percentage, 30, 12, so like that it was there. And overall they had given the total number of Tota as 500, and other was like one table was also given. So there the ratio of Tota plus clutch, and clutch was given like 2:1, like that. Okay, so here actually I read the data wrongly. So here I thought this is the total of this Tota and clutch. So then it took a lot of time from me, so that I was not able to solve this DI also. I don't know where I messed up in that section. I got panicked and I was not able to solve this DI also. Then one more DI was there, that was on line graph. So actually I didn't saw the question properly. And one more caselet was there. I think caselet was doable. So 3 questions were there. But here also I messed up and I was not able to solve this. I think only I attempted 11 question in the quant section. Actually, although it was very easy, I picked the wrong questions because like I thought number series will be easy, so I thought let me solve this. But there were 2 questions on the number series, and I was not able to identify the pattern of the number series. And then I attempted one partnership problem. So there also I don't know what mistake I did there. So that also I didn't get the proper answer. Then I tried many arithmetic questions. Since I didn't get the proper answer, I was left with only 2 to 3 minutes. So I was like, okay, so I will not be able to solve the question. So let's sit as it is. Okay, let me sit. I felt like that. Then okay, so what actually quant was doable, but I myself messed up this section. Then coming to the reasoning section, so there were the coded syllogism, and they are of all PO pre-level. I mean they are easy. So 3 questions were there. I think one was like only 2 follows, and both 1 and 3 follow. So like that, like this answer came. Then 3 questions on DS was there, that is data sufficiency. So in that I got only 2 follows, that is in the circular arrangement. Then one was I got as either 1 or 2, It was based on the day, like Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, like that. And one was like blood relation. Actually, I solved this, but it was tricky. It was tricky, so I left it as it is. Then, then coming to the puzzles. So actually, I felt the puzzle was really hard. I mean, it took me like 4 to 5 possibilities. I don't know how many times I tried this, because after trying 2 to 3 times also, and that too with 4 to 5 possibility, I didn't get the answer for this. And finally I came back after like I was left with 8 minutes. Then I solved this question. So I think I got like G C K, and I don't know what was that, FPC. So actually I written it on my hand, so I don't know what I have written there, so I can't even remember the sequence now. Okay, so I was getting many possibilities in this puzzle, and one was year best. So this one also, it was very tricky, so it took me a lot of time, so that's why my whole time wasted here. And one was like new pattern, like 6 12 something was there. I didn't read this because since it's a new pattern one. Then miscellaneous word, it was there, like we have to arrange some words to the right in the ascending order, then we have to delete the repeated words, then we have to arrange it in the increasing order, so like that it was there. So that was doable. And one was like miscellaneous question, like even number followed by even number followed by odd number. So this one I don't know where I made mistake. I didn't get the correct answer which was there in the options. I tried actually many times. I got panicked because I only solved 6 questions and I was left with only like 9 to 10 minutes. So then critical reasoning question were also there, and one was like 15 people were sitting and they are facing north. I think five people in each row. So I didn't try this puzzle because I was not good at solving the puzzles within linear arrangement. So I thought, let me solve this question twice so that I will get the answer. At least I will get 5 marks. So I solved and finally I got only this one as answer. And there was no direction based questions and also blood relations. So actually I felt really hard this reasoning section. Um, so in this, I think I guess I made only 12 questions. So overall my attempts were only 53. Last time only I did better actually. I think I attempted 67 questions, and last time I attempted I think 20 to 23 GI questions. But since I didn't revise properly, so I made 12 questions wrong, and also I got the marks which I expected. But this time it's worst actually. So those who are having the exams tomorrow, do well, all the best for your exam, and thanks for watching. Please to subscribe for more videos and updates like this. Follow Banking Spark.